Hello, this is Charles Crillo. Thank you for listening and watching the show over the past 5 years. I want to welcome you to our new real estate mentoring website that we just formally launched, syndicationsuperstars.com. I've been doing one-on-one mentoring for aspiring real estate investors for years, but we've spent the last few months putting together a formal mentoring program that is great for real estate investors of all levels. This is not one of those mentoring programs for $15,000, $20,000, or $25,000. But for a few $100s a month, I will mentor you personally one-on-one. And I'm opening this to our show listeners first at this price before sharing it with the general public at a higher price. In the past, I've mentored investors looking to house hack just one property to investors looking to syndicate 100-unit apartment complexes. If you want to learn how to invest in multifamily, maybe your New Year's resolution is to grow your income and net worth, I have 3 openings now, so click the link in the show notes, syndicationsuperstars.com. Navigate to the training center to set up a free 30-minute call with me. On the website, we also have a store containing agreements, state-specific paperwork for property management, money-raising PowerPoint templates, deal analyzers, and more. So thank you, and I appreciate you being part of our community.